You decide the way it goes. We hope it's gonna be exciting, but only you can know. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Life will take you on a wild adventure.
They say beauty fades. I say it evolves with volume and shine.
Masyadong mahina!
For gathering us here today. Thank you for all the people who attended the birthday celebration of Teacher Hyra and Amber.
For coming for our celebration.
Ate, Garnet.
Thank you, fellow visitors, for coming to the celebration.
Happy birthday to you and to your Amberlets. Happy birthday, Dai. Okay, so happy trip.
May God bless your plans, your future plans. Sana maging maligaya. You will be, maging maligaya pa, ha? Sa soon na dadami pa ba kayo? Tapos kung ano yung mga future plans niyo. And, yun lang. Happy birthday.
We appreciate your time o ang inyong presensya. And till we meet each other again. Okay? Mulang ka na po ko. So, see you po. And I hope sa mga aspiring, no? Okay, daghan pa man bigmatan ng dre, may we see each other dito o magkita po sa dre mga po. Thank you and God bless.